This week, the cryptocurrency market got off to a bad start. Many coins are currently showing losses in the double-digit percentage range. The coin XRP, which is connected to Ripple, has dropped up to 12% since it hit a low point of $2 during the day. Dogecoin and Cardano both lost a lot of value. Dogecoin dropped by 10% and Cardano dropped by 13% from their previous prices. After briefly breaking through the 100,000 barrier on Monday, Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency, is now selling at a mere 2.6% less than it was before. There is a chance that today will be the worst day for the coin market in the last 4 months. Up to $1 trillion could be lost. The shocking amount of $1.76 billion worth of cryptocurrency was sold in the last 24 hours, according to data from CoinGlass. It's not a surprise that long assets make up most of the $1.58 billion. Around 600,000 deals were closed out in total. Earlier today, one trader lost up to $19 million on the Binance market with a single order. Binance, the most well-known coin exchange in the world, has been the one to liquidate the most, worth a total of $756 million. In terms of the total number of long positions that have been closed in the last 24 hours, Ethereum has a lot more than Bitcoin, with 223,148,000 more. Not only are Solana, Dogecoin, and XRP in the top 5, but they have also become some of the most popular risky bets in the past few months. The price of the asset has dropped from its most recent high of $2.80 to its present level of $2. This means that XRP is in a correction phase, which is a sign of bigger market trends. A bearish channel is appearing on the XRP chart right now. Still, this move could be seen as the necessary cooling off time after a long rally. The big increase in volume that happened during the first price jump showed that a lot of people were buying. But the current drop in numbers suggests that the drive has waned over the last few days. XRP is now being tried at $2 per coin, which is a key support level. After that, the next big supports will be between $1.84 and $1.62. Our goal is to find out if the asset can stay stable or even handle more downward pressure based on these numbers. It's clear that the recent sales have led to liquidations worth more than $1 billion. This is because jobs that had too much debt are being taken away. Even though this cascade effect has sped up the drop in XRP, it also shows that a lot of the speculation is being taken away. Even though these kinds of events are bad in the short term, they usually lead to better price action in the long run. It's possible that XRP will continue to rise in the long run, even though the current situation is not good. After the pullback, bulls might be able to get back on track, especially if XRP stays above $2 and people start wanting to buy the cryptocurrency again. The $2.50 level of resistance should be closely watched. And the first sign that things are getting better would be if the price broke out of the range of falling prices. At the moment, buyers should be careful when dealing with XRP and keep a close eye on both how the asset moves near support levels and how the market moves overall. If the downturn keeps getting worse, long-term buyers may be able to get into the market at good prices. The next few days are very important for the future of XRP because a much bigger drop could happen if important supports are not successfully protected. That's the question at the meeting of Microsoft shareholders. Shareholders are working hard to get permission to hold Bitcoin as an asset because it's possible that large economies will use Bitcoin as a strategic backup asset one day. Microsoft shareholders will be able to decide on whether or not to add Bitcoin to the company's balance sheet at the annual meeting, which will take place on Tuesday, December 10th. Someone told the SEC that the board didn't agree with the move. The shareholder plan talked about BlackRock's Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund and another tech company called MicroStrategy as ways to protect against inflation. MicroStrategy owners said that the company's balance sheet includes Bitcoin and that this year, the company's stock had done 313% better than Microsoft shares. An approval vote by shareholders to buy Bitcoin could lead other global companies to do the same thing. The National Center for Public Policy Research sent a Bitcoin Treasury Assessment shareholder petition on behalf of Amazon.com owners on December 6th. This is important to remember. Wednesday, the founder and head of MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, told everyone about it. The changes in BTC, the U.S. government, and the vote of shareholders. On the other hand, a big Bitcoin move from the U.S. government could change how much people want to buy Bitcoin. On Monday, Peter Schiff asked Vice President Joe Biden's government to sell its haul of 198,109 Bitcoins, which is worth $19.12 billion. Schiff said, "The one good thing Biden can do before he leaves office is sell all of the Bitcoin that the U.S. government knows about. By raising this much money, not only would the budget gap for 2024 go down, but the stupid idea of building a harmful strategic Bitcoin reserve would also stop. Ideas about how the XRP and BTC markets will change. Bitcoin and XRP are getting ready for important events. The renomination vote on Wednesday and the SEC's plans to review orders related to Ripple will have an effect on price changes. It's possible that the SEC will look into the case, which could make XRP price go up to $1. XRP might go above its all-time high of $3.50, which was hit in January 2018. So, if someone takes it out, there is a chance that the result of the vote to renominate Commissioner Crenshaw will make the price of XRP rise faster. If there was a withdrawal, the programmatic sales decision would become a major case law precedent. This would change what was done against Coinbase, Coin, and Binance. Bitcoin. There was a lot of disagreement about strategic stocks and the price hike, a measure of the Bitcoin market.